Have you ever looked up to the ceiling vents and said, yuck? We have. And there's a trick to fixing this problem. Hi, I'm Bob Peterson and welcome to our video blog. Today we want to share 3 easy steps you can use to change this to this. Your first step is to remove the vent from the ceiling without tearing the sheetrock. We are demonstrating how this can be done using an X-ACTO knife with a sharp blade, a screwdriver, and of course a ladder. With your screwdriver, loosen the 2 screws about 1/8 inch from the vent. Then you'll want to find the edge of the vent with the X-ACTO knife and apply light pressure as you move very slowly along the edge. You may need to do this twice if the painter used painter's putty or sealer. This prevents the sheetrock paper from tearing. Once you've cut completely around the vent, use the blade to apply a prying motion to lift the vent away from the ceiling gently. This should free the vent from the ceiling, but move slowly and carefully. Your second step is to decide if you want to replace the ceiling vent or clean it. The small black dots or rust stains are caused most often by humidity or moisture, hot showers and steam, or in the summer, cold air meeting the very warm air. If you choose to clean the vent after removing it from the ceiling, soak the vent in bleach water mixture overnight to remove the stains. We usually use 1 part bleach and 4 parts water. If you choose to replace the ceiling vent after removing it from the ceiling, take it to the hardware store or HVA supply house to make sure that the vent size and the mounting holes all match up. We are showing a white 10-inch by 4-inch ceiling vent that we purchased from Ace Hardware for $11.99. Your third step is to mount the ceiling vent back to the ductwork in the ceiling and clean it with a damp, warm, soapy rag. If you choose to paint the vent, you should reapply the painter's putty to the new cracks around the vent. We sure hope this has been helpful, and if you want, please don't hesitate to share it with someone you care about. Thanks, and have a great day.